In this video, we'll show you how to parse semi-structured or unstructured data to a structured format using INFACore running on JupyterLab. You can use INFACore to parse data from file formats such as JSON, XML, ORC, Avro, Parquet, Microsoft Excel, and XSD. INFACore uses intelligent structure discovery to identify the structure of input data and parses the data by referring to a sample file or to a schema file. From the sample file you provide, INFACore discovers the schema and uses it to parse the input data. Here's a snapshot of the JSON data that we want to parse. And here's the sample file to infer the schema. The parser receives the input file and generates the structure by referring to the schema generated from the sample file. Now let's go to INFACore to see this in action. First, select Parse Unstructured Data from the list of functions. Enter a name for the data frame to represent in the code. Then enter the file path to the data or to a schema file. And enter the input file path that contains the data that you want to parse. Now click Submit. INFACore generates the code. All you have to do is run it. Now let's view the parsed data using the pandas data frame. And just like that, the output is in structured format. Be sure to check out our other videos about how to perform tasks in INFACore. For more information, see the JupyterLab extension for INFACore guide on the Informatica documentation portal. Visit our communities and support hubs, or check out our website.